Alright, I've been hiking all day, day 2. We're walking on the Benton Mackay, I've been told, correct pronunciation. We just came across a pretty big mountain. Later on I guess I'll put the name of it on here. But the original track on my GPS showed straight up, and it's the end of the day, trying to be the end of the day. I can hear some thunder and lightning off in the distance. We are just wore out. Probably about 5 o'clock, a little after 5 o'clock I think. We're trying to make it down to the river, stay the night down there, get water in the morning, and continue on. So right now I'm just walking along. After we climbed that mountain had a switchback on it, which made it very helpful. It wasn't on my GPS. There's an old campsite. Somebody is camping there. I feel like just saying, stop right here and camp too. But trying to get down here. Make it down here by around 6:30. Get dark around 7. Probably 7 tonight with the cloud cover like it is. So, rough day, day 2. But we finished the Duncan Ridge and heading down the Benton Mackay. Trying to make it down here to where it links up to the Appalachian Trail tomorrow. Should make it there a little more on the Appalachian Trail. Maybe I'll check back in later on tonight. I don't know if I'll have time, just because we're going to be making camp very late. Try to get the hammock up, tents I feel drops now. I'm going to have to get off here so I can get my rain gear out and get ready to try not to be wet. Alright, talk to you later.